I made some beetroot with ginger. This is the beetroot with ginger, and I also made the beetroot with milk, and the customer love it. She even kept some foreign, and I got more requests after that. Afterwards, guys, I have over 30 odd pounds of Irish potato here to peel, cause our customers love my creamy garlic mashed potato. I don't know about that creamy garlic mashed potato, yeah, but them love it. And majority of our customers, they ordered the creamy mashed potato as the side. So, you know, so we have to do what we have to do. And I also made some creamy curry shrimp Alfredo pasta, some honey barbecue pork chops, escovitch, and the steamed fish. So this was the whole preparation, and I also created some timestamp. Yes, at them time, them I got my bed, we have to do what we have to do. And I also made some carrot cake with nuts. And that was the preparation. I didn't get to film a lot because I was super busy.